Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really special for you, an iconic roadster that needs no introduction, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Whether you're a long-time Miata fan or just looking for a fun, affordable sports car, you're going to want to stick around for this review because the 2025 Miata brings a lot to the table. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is all about keeping things simple and fun. It sticks to the formula that's made it a favorite for decades: lightweight design, rear-wheel drive, and an open-top experience that's all about enjoying the pure pleasure of driving. This year's model brings some nice tweaks while staying true to its roots. Mazda's engineers have managed to keep the weight just under 2,400 pounds, making the Miata feel incredibly nimble and agile on the road. That low weight, paired with near-perfect 50-50-50 weight distribution, gives you incredible responsiveness in the corners, making every twist and turn a blast. Under the hood, you'll find the familiar 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine, delivering 181 horsepower. Now, 181 horsepower might not sound like a lot compared to other sports cars, but when you combine it with the Miata's lightweight frame and sharp handling, it feels just right. The power-to-weight ratio is spot on for spirited driving, giving you just enough kick to keep things exciting without overwhelming the car's balance. Plus, the manual transmission is still here for purists, smooth, precise, and just begging you to row through the gears. The 2025 Miata hasn't undergone any drastic changes on the design front, but that's a good thing. Its sleek, low-slung profile, iconic long hood, and short rear deck still scream classic roadster. Depending on your style, you can choose either the traditional soft top or the RF retractable hardtop. Inside, the cabin remains driver-focused, with simple, uncluttered controls that put everything within easy reach. Mazda has added some premium materials and tech touches, like the updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but nothing distracts from the primary goal: driving. Now, let's talk about one of the Miata's strongest selling points: affordability. For what it offers in terms of driving pleasure, the 2025 MX-5 Miata is a bargain compared to other sports cars. It's a rare blend of performance, fun, and value, making it accessible for those who want a pure driving experience without breaking the bank. So to wrap things up, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata stays true to its essence, while offering a few updates that keep it fresh. If you're after a car that's all about the joy of driving, without the extra fluff, the Miata remains one of the best options out there. Whether you're cruising with the top down on a sunny day or carving up winding roads, this little roadster knows how to make you smile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.